Hey everyone, Thomas Luigi07 here. If you've probably seen Tailspin 96 video, you probably know how this is going, but yeah, development on iOS 6 Simulator has been cancelled, and pretty much, I'm just gonna stop working on the OS menu altogether. Unity is too hard of an engine to work with. I cannot figure out for the life of me how to basically add another page to this, like how I did on the Roblox one. I might as well just show how this looks so far. I'll just give it a moment for Unity to load. I'm not gonna bother editing this video because I just don't feel like it. But yeah, here's what I did at the moment. You could like change things like how many friends you have. It's capped to like 255, but like you could say your name's Chifchiach, but you know, if we name debug mode, we got like a whole bunch of debug information from the Roblox version. But yeah, I have no idea how to like develop with Unity, so we're just done with the iOS 6 simulator. We didn't really do much on it, and the OS menu is just, you know, it's unfinished. So to make things easier, we're gonna stop using Unity altogether because Unity is too hard to use. So I decided to go back to my roots. Now, this is something I made a long time ago called Windows Simulator, but now I've turned into Windows XP GUI TS2 because everyone loves that game, right? So, we just launched a simulator, and this is what I've been working on for the past, whatever. And it's been, this simulator is probably like, how many years old now? It's probably almost 10 years old. Whatever. So basically, as you can see, we've got a nice little desktop. The start button doesn't work yet because I got rid of it at one point, so don't ignore that. So we've got the recycle bin. So this is our computer, of course. We've got the media player, some music, and if we hit that button, the game dies. So that's all. We're gonna like update this. There's gonna be like a whole on like, updates and things. So there's, I don't know. There's gonna be some grand stuff for this thing. So let's just maybe if I just click on the start menu, it's a few more times and okay. No, I haven't. I've been working on things like my website, right? This counts. Oh. Okay. Well, that's good to know. Oh fuck. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go leave now. See you.